Hello students, welcome back to eGuru Learning. I am Sumit Mehta. So today we are starting a new chapter named as Matrices, and we will discuss in this video exercise 3.1. So let's start with question number 1. In this question we have given a matrix. Okay, now the first part is asking us the order of the matrix. पहले पार्ट में हमें क्या बताना है? Order of the matrix. Order of the matrix क्या होता है? Number of rows into column. So to find the number of rows, we will see here are three rows. The horizontal are the rows. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So these are the three rows. So and number of columns are vertical. So there are 4 columns. So this is a 3 cross 4 matrix. Okay, so the order is 3 cross 4. Now let's see second part, the number of elements. So the number of elements हम कैसे निकालेंगे? Number of elements आता है if you will multiply the number of rows into the number of columns. So this is 3 into 4, this is 12. So the number of elements are 12 in this, or you can count also. So these are 12 elements. So the third part is we need to write down the element. So the first element is A13. To write an element, so A13 stands for 1 stands for the row and 3 stands for the column. Whenever we write, this is AMN, where M stands for row and N stands for column. So first row, third element. So the first row is this, third column element is this. So the 19 is A13. A13 value is 19. A21 क्या हो जाए? Second row, first element. So second row, first element is 35. A33, third row, third element. Third row, third element is -5. A24 कितना हो जाए? Second row, fourth element, which is 12. A23. Now A23 is second row, third element, which is 5 by 2. So with this, question number 1 complete. Now let's quickly move to question number 2. So student, here is question number 2 on our screen, which states that if a matrix has 24 elements, अगर एक matrix में 24 elements है, what are the possible orders it can have? So if the order of the matrix is m cross n, number of elements कितने होते हैं उसमें? mn. So we are given the number of elements are 24. So now we need to find out only the factors of 24 into two parts. So this can be 24 into 1, 1 into 24 also, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, and this is 3 into 8, 8 into 3 is also there, 4 into 6, and this is 6 into 4. After that 5, 6, 7, 8, no. So these are all 8 orders which are possible. Okay. So now we are given another part. What if it has 13 elements? So if it has 13 elements, the only order possible are 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. Means 1 row, 13 columns, or 13 rows, 1 column. Okay. So with this, question number 2 completes. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 देखते हैं. So student, here is question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? So it is like question number 2 only. So if it has mn elements, so the order is m cross n. So now we have, these are the elements I am writing, number of elements, and this is the order. So we have 18 elements, so the order can be 18 into 1 or 1 into 18. This is 2 into 9, 9 into 2, 3 into 6, 6 3 the, and these are all possible orders if a matrix has 18 elements. But if it has 5 elements, so in case elements are 5, so the possible order are 5 into 1 and 1 into 5. So only these two orders are possible. Now let's move to question number 4. So students, here is question number 4 on our screen. It states that construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix बनाना है जिधर A is equals to Aij. तो ये क्या स्टैंड कर रहा है कि Aij, I stands for row and J stands for column. So let me write the element A11. Putting the value of I equals to 1 and J equals to 1, what I will get is 1 plus 1 square upon 2. So this is 2 square by 2 is 2. A12. Putting I equals to 1, J equals to 2, 1 plus 2 square by 2. This is 9 by 2. A21 will also be same. This is 2 plus 1 square by 2. This is 9 by 2. A22. So this is 2 plus 2 by 2. So this is 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. So now if when we have all the elements, here is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 2 1, and this is 2 2. Okay. So now to put all the values, this is 2, this is 9 by 2, this is also 9 by 2, and this is 8. So with this first part is complete. Now let's move to part 2. पार्ट 2 देखते हैं इसका. Aij जो दिया है इसमें हमें, this is I by j. Okay. So putting value of I and j equals to 1, A11 is equals to 1 by 1, which is 1. A12 is I is 1 डाला है हमने, j is 2, this is 1 by 2. A21, this is 2 by 1, which is 2 by 1. A22 is 2 by 2, which is also again 1. So putting the value here, so matrix हमें जो मिल जाएगा 1, 1 by 2, 2, and this is again 1. तो ये इस केस में ये matrix मिल जाएगा. Now let's quickly do part 3. A11 is 1 square, 1 plus 2 square. This is 9 by 2. A12. This is 1 plus 2 into 2 square by 2, which is 5 square, 25 by 2. A21 is 2 plus 2 into 1 square by 2, which is 4 square, 16 by 2 is 8. 822 is 2 plus 2 into 2 square upon 2. So this is 4 plus 2, 6 square by 2 is 18. So the element of this matrix are 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. So with this our question number 4 completes. Now let's do question number 5. So students, here is question number 5 on our screen, in which we need to construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by this. So to construct a 3 by 4 matrix, let's see a 3 by 4 matrix कैसा होता है. So this is number of rows will be 3 and number of columns will be 4. So this is A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, and this is A24, A31, A32, A33, and A34. So this will be a 3 by 4 matrix. Now we need to find out all the elements using this formula given in the first part. So now let's quickly find out all the elements. For A11, A11 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा अभी, I और J दोनों 1 हो जाएंगे. So this is half modulus -3 plus 1. So -3 plus 1 is -2. With modulus it will become 1. A12. This is half modulus -3 plus 2. So this is -1 mod 1 बन जाएगा, तो this is 1 by 2. A13 is 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 3. So modulus will become 0 now, so this element is 0. A14 is 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4. So it will again be 1 by 2. Now A21. This is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is plus 5 because of modulus. So this is 5 by 2 now. A22. This is half minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 after modulus. This is plus 4 by 2 is 2. A23 is half minus 3 into 2 plus 3. So this is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So it will become 3 by 2. A24. A24 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is plus 2 after the modulus. This is 1 again. Now let's find out third row elements which are A31. A31 will be 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8 after modulus plus 8. Plus 8 by 2 is 4. A32 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So this is minus 7 by 2. Modulus है तो plus 7 by 2. A33 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. This is 6 by 2, which is 3. A34 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4, which is minus 9. This is 5 by 2. अब हमारे पास सारे एलिमेंट्स आ चुके हैं. अभी सारे एलिमेंट्स की वैल्यू हम इधर डाल देते हैं. अब इधर इन सारे एलिमेंट्स की अगर मैं वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ तो ये वैल्यूज हो जाएगी. A11 कितना है 1. A12 is half. A13 is 0. A14 is 1 by 2 again. A21 is 5 by 2. This is 2. 3 by 2. Then 1. 3 1 is 4. 7 by 2. 3 and then 5 by 2. ये हमारे पास सारे एलिमेंट्स आ चुके हैं. अब हम देखते हैं सेकेंड पार्ट. Aij is equals to 2i minus j. Now let's make some space here and we'll solve part 2. तो स्टूडेंट अब हम देख रहे हैं पार्ट नंबर 2 Oh, sorry, I erased it. Let me rewrite. So this was पार्ट टू. हमें अब 3/4 मैट्रिक्स बनाना है, तो हमें पहले सारे एलिमेंट्स निकालें. A11 is 2 into 1 minus 1. This is 1. A12 is 2 into 1 minus 2, which is 0. A13 is 2 into 1 minus 3, which is minus 1. A14, 2 into 1 minus 4, which is minus 2. A21 is 2 into 2 minus 1, which is 3. A22, 2 into 2 minus 2, which is 2. A23, this is 2 into 2 minus 3, which is 1. A24 is 2 into 2 minus 4 is 0. Now A31, 2 into 3 minus 1. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, बस I और J की वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस Aij. So this is 5. A32 will be कितना हो जाएगा भाई? This is 2 into 3 minus 2. This is 4. A33 will be 2 into 3 minus 3. Again it is 3. A34 will be 2 into 3 minus 4. This is 2. Now अब हम मैट्रिक्स बना लेते हैं. So this will be first row. 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. Second row is 3 2 1 0. Third row is 5 4 3 2. तो इसके साथ हमारा ये 3/4 का मैट्रिक्स बन चुका है A. Okay. Now let's move to question number 6. So student, here is question number 6. Question number 6 है हमारी स्क्रीन पे, in which we are given this matrix is equals to this matrix, and we know दो मैट्रिक्स तभी इक्वल होते हैं जब उनके कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स इक्वल होते हैं. मीन्स टू मैट्रिक्स आर इक्वल only if their corresponding elements, उनके जो corresponding elements हैं, only if their corresponding elements are equal. अब इनके corresponding elements equal होने चाहिए, तो हम देखते हैं. So 4 is equals to y, z equals to 3, x equals to 1. So फर्स्ट पार्ट में ये हमारी वैल्यूज आ गई. मैंने कैसे कंपेयर किया कि ये जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है दिस शुड इक्वल दिस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, और ये जो सेकंड एलिमेंट है ये सेकंड एलिमेंट के बराबर होना चाहिए, और ये जो थर्ड एलिमेंट है वो आपके थर्ड एलिमेंट के बराबर होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू पार्ट 2. सेकेंड पार्ट देखते हैं इसका. So now the corresponding element should be equal. X plus y should be equals to 6. 5 plus z should be equals to 5, and xy should be equals to 8. So from here we can simply imply that z is equals to 0. Now we have two equations in x and y, and we have two unknown. So putting the value of y equals to 6 minus x in this equation, let's name this as equation 1. So this is x into 6 minus x is equals to 8. Okay. So this will be 6x minus x square is equals to 8. So x square minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. X minus 2 and x minus 4 equals to 0. So either x equals to 2 or x equals to 4. Now if x is equals to 2, y will become 4. So corresponding to x equals to 2, y is equals to 4, and corresponding to the value of x equals to 4, y will become 2. So this is the case possible. If x is 2, y will be 4, and if x is 4, y will be 2. Now let's move to part 3. So in part 3, x plus y plus z is given to us as 9, x plus z is 5, and y plus z is 7. So let's name these equations. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. This is equation 1 minus equation 2. So what we will get is y equals to 4. हमारे पास y तो 4 आ गया. Putting the value of y equals to 4 in equation 3. So this is 4 plus z is 7. Z becomes 3. अब z भी 3 आ गया है. And x, y और z की वैल्यू हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में डाल देते हैं. So this becomes x equals to 2. So solution to this is x2 y4 z3. Z is 3. This is x, y, z. Okay. Now let's see question number 7. So students, here is question number 7 on our screen, in which this matrix is given to be equals to this matrix. So as we know, if the two matrices are equal, अगर दो matrix equal होते हैं तो उनके corresponding elements भी equal होने चाहिए. Corresponding elements का mean इस first row का first element should be equals to first row element of this. So from this, a minus b is equals to minus 1, equation number 1. Let's say 2a plus c, this is equals to 5. Equation 2, 2a minus b equals 0. Equation 3, and 3c plus d is equals to 13. Equation 4. Now, so from equation number 3 we can say that 2a is equals to b. ये यहाँ से हमें ये दिख रहा है 2a equals to b. Put the value of b equals to 2a in equation 1 में हम ये वैल्यू डाल देते हैं b की, that is equals to 2a. a minus 2a is equals to minus 1. So this is minus a equal minus 1. यहाँ से a आ गया हमारे पास 1. If a is equals to 1, b कितना हो जाएगा? b 2a के बराबर था. b is equals to now 2. b 2 है, a 1 है. So from equation 2, I can say this is 2 into 1 plus c should equals 5. So c plus 2 equal 5, c equals to 3. यहाँ से हमारे पास c की वैल्यू भी आ गई 3. Now let's from equation 4 का यूज कर लेते हैं. From equation 4, 3 into c plus d should equal 13. So this is 3 into 3 plus d, 13 हो जाना चाहिए. तो d कितना आ गया? 13 minus 9 which is equals to 4. So d की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास 4. Okay, so with this सारी वैल्यूज क्या आ गई हैं? 1 a1 है, b2 है, c3 है, and d is 4. With this question number 7 completes. Now let's quickly see question number 8. So student, here is question number 8 on our screen, which states this is a square matrix. अब एक square matrix क्या होता है? A square matrix is those matrix in which the number of rows equals number of column. Number of rows जो है number of columns के बराबर रहती है. So in this case m should equals n. So हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर C. Okay, this was a very easy question. Now let's see question number 9. So students, here is question number 9 in which we need to find out the values of x and y which makes the following pair of matrices equal. अब ये दोनों pair of matrices equal हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ equality sign लगा देता हूँ, so हमें x और y की values निकालनी है. So as we know, if we need to find out the values of x and y और दोनों matrix equal है, तो corresponding values भी इनकी equal होनी चाहिए. तो 3x plus 7 should equal 0. From here x equals to minus 7 by 3. Y minus 2 should equals to 5. Y should equals to 7. And if these two elements are, बच्चों अब कहीं बच्चे क्या करते हैं, यहीं पे क्वेश्चन छोड़ देते हैं कि वैल्यूज तो आ गई, अब क्या करना है। अब देख तो लो पहले, y प्लस वन इज इक्वल्स टू 8, यहाँ से तो y आ रहा है 7, y तो दोनों वैल्यू से सेम आ रहा है, बट 2 माइनस थ्री एक्स इक्वल्स टू 4, तो यहाँ से 3x इज इक्वल्स टू कितना आ गया, -2, x इक्वल्स टू -2/3। पहले हमने फाइंड आउट किया था x इक्वल्स टू -7/3, सो ये कोई भी ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो गया ना, x -7/3 है, -2/3 है। अगर ये -7/3 है तो ये वाले एलिमेंट्स इक्वल हैं, बट ये वाले एलिमेंट इक्वल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, सो दिस कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल, सो नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड आउट any value of x and y. Now let's move to question number 10. So students, here is question number 10, in which the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 और 1. अब हमारे पास क्या है, 3/3 का कोई भी मैट्रिक्स है, a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33, एक ऐसा मैट्राइसिस चाहिए हमें, नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल मैट्राइसिस देखने हैं जिसमें एंट्री 0 और 1 कुछ भी हो सकती है। तो इसमें कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास, m इंटू n एलिमेंट्स, मीन्स 3 इंटू 3 एलिमेंट्स विच इज 9 एलिमेंट्स। अब हमारे को पता है कि कोई हर एक एलिमेंट या तो वैल्यू 0 ले सकता है या वैल्यू 1 ले सकता है। So every element has two choices, दो choices है ना हर एलिमेंट के पास, which is 0 और 1. So in total we have 9 elements. So total choices will be, or total, so this is 2 power 9, which is 5 and 2. So these many matrices are possible. So the answer to this question will become 5 and 2, option number D. With this, our exercise 3.1 on matrices basics is complete, and in the next lecture we will see the exercise 3.2. And students, if you are liking the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy learning.